Hello to all of you who are watching this video. This is the sixth lesson on learning the sketch environment. In this lesson, you will learn how to draw ellipse, hyperbola, parabola, and conic. Okay, let's go on the screen and start the lesson.
I got this magic in my fingertips, designing dreams with every click. Shapes and wonders coming to life. With Katia, I cut through strife. In my mind, the future's clear. No more doubts, no more fear. Crafting visions in 3D. Katia's the key, don't you see? I can reach the sky so high. Build my dreams, no need to try. With every tool I sculpt my fate. Katia helps me innovate. Every line precise and true.
Let's start the lesson. In this session, I will explain the conic tool. I'm in the sketch environment right now. I've changed the names Part 1 and Sketch 1. Please enter the sketch environment 2 and rename them. Move your mouse towards the small black triangle next to the oval shape icon. The mouse pointer will turn into a black double-headed arrow. After you see the double-headed triangle, click. The conic toolbar will open. Click and hold down the small raised line. Move your mouse to detach the conic toolbar. Release it anywhere on the screen. This toolbar has 4 tools. The first tool is called ellipse. With it, you can draw an ellipse using 3 clicks. As you know, an ellipse has 2 focus points. Also, an ellipse has 2 axes. If these 2 axes are equal, a special shape called a circle is created. The first click sets the ellipse center point on the drawing area. The second click defines the major radius. The third click defines the minor radius. And the ellipse is completed. Click on the ellipse tool to make it orange. Click at any desired point. Move your mouse. You will see an ellipse taking shape. You will also see a blue dotted line. This dotted line is there to guide you. As you move the mouse, you'll see the ellipse can be horizontal, vertical, or at angle. Make the second click at any desired point. The major radius will be defined. Move your mouse again to define the minor radius and complete an ellipse drawing. In the design tree, expand the geometry subsection. You will see that 1 point and 1 ellipse have been recorded. The second tool is called parabola by focus. With this tool, we draw a parabola. A parabola is a type of curve where the distance from any point on it to a fixed point and a fixed line is equal. I've placed an image on the screen that shows the meaning of the sentence above. The part of parabola are focus, directrix, vertex, and axis of symmetry. A parabola is drawn with 4 clicks. The first click shows the location of the focus point on the screen. The second click determines the parabola's radius. The third and fourth clicks define a part of the parabola's segment and draw the parabola. Click on the parabola tool to activate it. Click on any desired point on the screen and move your mouse. Make the second click at a point to display the parabola. Move the mouse over the parabola and make 2 clicks at different points on the parabola. The parabola is drawn. Pay attention to the design tree. 2 points and 1 parabola have been recorded. Note that a parabola's curve represents a quadratic equation. The third tool is called hyperbola by focus. With this tool, a hyperbola is drawn. A hyperbola is a curve where the distance from any point on it to its focus and directrix is equal or has a constant ratio. This constant ratio is called eccentricity. And for a hyperbola, it's always greater than 1. A hyperbola is an open curve. You can draw a hyperbola with 5 clicks. The first click is the location of the hyperbola's focus point. The second click shows the location of the hyperbola's eccentricity point through which the directrix passes. The third click determines the ratio between the focus point and the eccentricity point. The fourth and fifth clicks define the hyperbola's segment, and the hyperbola is drawn. Click on this tool to make it orange. Make 1 click on the screen. Move your mouse to define the eccentricity point. After the second click, move your mouse to define the distance ratio. As you move the mouse, you'll see the hyperbola's curvature change. Note that the mouse only moves along the line between the focus point and the eccentricity point. This means the third point will be placed on the line connecting them. After the third click, move your mouse. Make 2 clicks on the displayed curve. The hyperbola will take shape. In the design tree, you'll see a hyperbola name and 2 points. The fourth comment is called Conic. Using this tool, you can draw a curved section in 3 different ways. These 3 drawing methods are with 2 points, 4 points, and 5 points. These methods can be selected. In the Sketch Tools auxiliary toolbar, for drawing in the first 2 methods, 2 and 4 points, we need a guide curve. In the 5-point method, no auxiliary shape is needed. 2-point drawing method. Imagine we have a circle on the screen. Click on the Conic tool to activate it. Activate the 2-point drawing method in the Sketch Tools toolbar. Click on 2 points on the circle. Move the mouse slowly a little. you'll see a wide curve being created. Note that the closer the 2 points you selected on the circle, the smaller the curve you can draw. Note, if you move the mouse too far from the circle, the curve's color will turn red. The red color means that it's not possible to create the curve in this state. Make the first click outside the circle. The curve takes shape. 4-point drawing method. Drawing a conic with 4 points is exactly the same. In this method, the fourth click draws the curve. 5-point drawing method. In the third method, the curve is drawn by defining 5 points. In this method, we don't need an auxiliary curve. Click on the Conic tool to activate it. Click on the points in your preferred order. After your selections, and when clicking on the 5th point, the curve is drawn. Now imagine we have a rectangle and a line as shown. Activate the Conic command and its third method. Click on the 4 corners of the rectangle and then on one of the line's endpoints. On the 5th click, the curve is drawn. That's the end of today's lesson. Please practice. This session's exercise: drawing an ellipse and moving it, drawing a point at the intersection of 2 lines. Good luck, see you next lesson.